Hey guys, so I am away with my mom on a little girls weekend trip, and I thought I would do a quick sit down and get ready with me. I did get a new makeup bag, so I'll tell you all about it. So if you guys would like to just see a quick and easy get ready with me at the Airbnb by the water, then just keep watching. First off, my last bag, the glue and the insides pretty much fell apart. So I found this Dr Bag. This is a Caboodles Dr Bag from Ulta. And I had a 20% off coupon, so it was like $25. And it's really cute. Has one zipper on the top and then two on the sides. And then opens up like this, and it's got zippers and little like elastic pouches and rooms for brushes, and it's nice and deep so I can fit my hair straightener in it, my hair dryer, all of my toiletries, and my makeup. So why don't we get started? This is what's behind me, just for reference. I'm in the screened-in porch. We have steps leading down to the water, beautiful sky behind us, and this is like sunset. So my camera cut out for mascara, but I applied a little lip liner, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Huda Beauty Silk Balm, and we are done. There we have it. That is my getting ready with me along the water on my girls' weekend trip with my mom. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.